impact of all of this?
It's going to be big. It's already big. But the first realization, everyone talks about digitalization, everyone talks about Gen AI, they talk about the cloud. All of those technologies require connectivity. So with no connectivity, no digitalization, no AI, no cloud. That's the basics. But if we look then at mobile connectivity, it has a material impact on the world's economy. World Economic Forum estimates that using mobile connectivity and digital technologies, we can create $100 trillion.
$100 trillion?
Of more GDP.
Whoa.
And for emerging markets, 3 to 7 times the return on investments, the economic uplift compared to the investments in the network. So it's a material impact on the economy. I think you're going to see another thing. The green transition can simply not happen without mobile connectivity or connectivity in general, because it requires a digital transition. So think about when we move into a low-carbon world. We used to have the base load in a network when I studied high-voltage engineering myself, so that was my field of study. But it usually have a base load in a network that depend on wind power, solar power, any renewable. You're going to have so many fluctuations. So you need actually to, on an instantaneous basis, adjust the network. So you need to fully digitalize the electric grid as well. So there are a number of things that it will touch upon and impact.
It's incredible that, because, okay, so this is the big picture view, but what about, how is it going to impact kind of individual people's lives? What difference will it make to my life, to the people's lives here?
Yeah. I think we're only at the beginning of that journey. You think here in Saudi, you see very good 5G network. Riyadh is among the world's top countries on connectivity and speed. But it will start to impact, and you can come to our stand and maybe play a Halo game, dodgeball, in the virtual world. These are things we're going to see the impact in gaming, but we're only at the beginning of digitalizing consumers. We're going to use wearables much more. I put on my augmented reality glasses, so I know the script, what you're saying. No. So I think there are a number of things that are going to happen here, and we're only now scratching the surface.
Gosh, that's so exciting when you say that we're just scratching the surface and you open up all these kind of new worlds that we might be exploring. But